Hey everyone, I wanted to take a quick minute to go through the actual bulk data enrichment module that we have built into the actual web app. So when you're on app.betterenrich.com, let's say that you want to be able to bulk process an entire list of leads or prospects or existing customers that you already have, but you're trying to complete the picture and you're trying to be able to verify and or add in their personal email, their phone number, their mobile phone number, their likes, dislikes, their social media profile, their entire social footprint, and or if you want to normalize different data points that you have about them. You can easily do that if you just click tables for bulk enrichment on the left-hand side. And then what you would always start with is either importing from a webhook itself. So this is more for enterprise grade needs, like being able to ingest and process event-based data immediately upon it touching a particular service. So so you have customer touch point, and then you create an event, and that event gets sent to a webhook that we end up processing and ingesting on our end, and then you can have that in a tabular format, right? But generally, you just import a CSV. So you have some type of flat file that you're importing. And then when you import it, let's say you're importing a VIP leads file like I have here, it's going to show you what are the compatible columns that it's automatically detected. And then you have your first name, last name, title, and if you have any other columns that you want to be able to identify or match them or map them to, you can. And then you just click import. So once it's imported, which is pretty quick, you end up then wanting to enrich your data set. So what you do is you click add enrichment, and then we're going to go through each of these one by one. So if you're in the bulk data enrichment and you just want to enrich one particular field, or you want to be able to use one main function, like finding a work email using a waterfall, so let's click that first. So what you would need is first a first name. So click first name. You would then want a last name, or you can just map it directly to a full name if you have that as a field. And then you would also ideally need to have a website or domain. And then if you don't have that, then we need to be able to retrieve that.